The problem is the value of 4 plus 5 minus 1 by 2 plus iota root 3 by 2 raised to 334 plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 iota raised to power 365 is 1 root 2 into iota root 3 iota root 5 iota. See the solution. Here we are to find the value of 4 plus 5 into minus 1 by 2 plus iota root 3 by 2 raised to power 334 plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 iota raised to the power 365. Now see, we know see the cube root of unity. So x cube is 1, it means x minus 1 is 0. So factorize this. X square plus x plus 1. We use the algebraic formula here. So value of x is 1. Now we will solve this factor. X is equal to minus b minus 1 plus minus under root b square means formula quadratic formula 1 square minus 4 into 1 upon 2 which is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 iota divided by 2. So there are two values of x, minus 1 plus root 3 by 2 iota and minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 iota. So we have three values of x1, 2 and 3. We denote these by 1 omega, omega square. These are the cube root of unity. This is omega square and this is 1. Now see, if we compare here the value of this, we know omega cube is always 1. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. These are the popular results. Now if we compare from this, here omega is equal to this value. So 5 into omega raised to 334 plus 3 into omega raised to power 365. Now we will divide this by 3. We will write this in the terms of multiple of 3. 4 plus 5 into omega raised to the power. If we divide 334 by 3, we get 1. Remainder is 1. So this is 3 into 1 into omega plus 3 into similarly omega is 365. Here is 2. So here is a 3 into 1 to 1 into omega square. The power left is 2. Now this value is 1, this value is 1 because omega cube is a 1. So we get here the result 4 plus 5 into omega plus 3 into omega square. Omega square. Now put the values of omega and omega square here. 4 plus 5 into minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 iota 3 into minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 iota. So open the bracket 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 5 root 3 by 2 iota minus 3 root 3 iota by 2. So this value will be 0 because this 4 2s are 8 minus 5 minus 3 by divided by 2 plus here LCM is 2, 5 root 3, 3, 2 root 3 iota. So this is 0 plus root 3 iota. So root 3 iota is the answer. Root 3 iota. So the correct option is C. C is the correct option of this problem. So